In this problem, we are asked to move this object 180 positive degrees, which is going to mean we are going to move it positive 90, positive 180. We will end up over here somewhere. Each one of these points are going to end up in this quadrant. So let's move one point at a time. If I travel up 3 and over 2 to get 2.0, 90 degrees positive would be to travel 3 and 2. 180 degrees would be to travel 3 and 2. So we are going to end up moving the point right there. Point P, we are going to move up 7 over 2. 90 degrees would be 7, 2. 180 is going to be 7, 2. Point Y, up 6 over 5. 6, 5 would be 90. 6, 5 is going to be 180. To move point N, 6, 5 is going to be 180. See if we can put a nice big point there and see if we can get it to stay. Y is going to be 6, 5. We move Y, we have to move N. 3, 6. 3, 6, 3, 6. So what we will do is we will end up with our figure right here. So let's see, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 6, 3, 6, 7, 2, 7, 2, 6, 5, 6, 5. That looks like it will work. Let me know if you need more help. Thanks.